Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be going into Hobby Lobby just to take a quick look around and see some of the things that they have. Every time I go into Hobby Lobby, I have to take a stop in the floral section. They faux florals are just awesome. I'm not going to show you each one, but the range of them, they're going to be, some you can get maybe for $3.99, a few for $6.99, and a lot of them I see for $9.99, but they can go up to about $25.99 for some of them. But majority of them that I do see are $9.99. You can see the ones I'm showing you here. Everyone that I just grabbed randomly were $9.99, and then they're going to be on sale. Not every week they're going to be on sale, but Hobby Lobby does alternate their sales, and you'll be able to catch these on sale. So if you want, you can just wait until they are on sale. You see this one here is $6.99, but I love their stuff, their little faux greenery. It has kind of a real look to it, not too bad. You know, these paper dried palm leaf fan things, they were $14.99, and then of course they were 50% off, and you get a set of them, and this would be great for wall decor, for different things to put in like a tall vase or something like that. So I did love those. The Faux Topiary pieces, this one was $129. I'm not sure if it was on sale, but like I said, just wait around for a sale. This one $9.99, and you can put it in one of those tall planters, you know, just put some under it to make it lift up, and I think that'd be great. They even have the fall faux plants out already. The sunflower was $19.99. I don't think that one was part of the sale because it is for the upcoming season, but you can see that they already are putting out their fall stuff. This little table I just thought was cute. It was $40. The stuff was on sale though. The furniture was on sale. This chest, it came online. It says it comes with 3 pieces. I only saw the 1 piece and I couldn't find a price in the store, but online it said it was $459.97, and then it was on sale for $321.98, and it was a set of several pieces, so you get like 3 pieces, but I only saw the 1 piece there and I didn't see a price for it there. I don't know if it was on clearance or something like that, but you see that table there, $118. And then you're gonna, these benches, again, I couldn't get to the price for these, but I did see it online for $209.99, and then it was on sale for $146.99. So if you were interested in those benches, or the cart was $199 on sale, and then $139.99 on sale, sorry. But you see those pillars. I think those are great decor pieces. Then these tall vases, you see that one there, $20, and then the bigger one, I think it's like $10 more or something like that. But you can get a lot of great glass pieces from Hobby Lobby. Also, you can get like these hanging baskets. This one is $12, and you could like put faux florals in it. You could put real florals in it. You could put whatever you want. But they have a lot of different planners. So Hobby Lobby is a great place. And then, like I said, there's always a sale. You see that piece there. That piece is a nice piece. I think it was $34.99 if I'm correct. But you can get that, and it has that nice distressed look, something that you would get like at Pottery Barn or Restoration Hardware or something like that, and you would pay much more for it. These little mini bouquets I thought were so cute, and they come like, you know, in a variety of prices, but they'll generally be around that, say $20 or so. I don't think they're on sale right now, but if you're looking for like floral arrangements for your table or something like that, I think those would be good options because they have a kind of realistic look to it. And if you know Hobby Lobby, you know their lamps seem to always be on sale, just like a lot of things in the store. So right now they were 50% off, and they had a lot of cute lamps. The bubble lamp there was $120, and then the other one, there's another bubble lamp there too, $120, but then it was 50% off, so you take 50% off of the $120, and then you'll have the price for that. They had a brass like lamp there that was $130, and then of course you take the 50% off. But you're gonna be so many different options. The little dip looking lamp was $80, 50% off. The little wood beaded one, $100, 50% off. So the lamps, you're going to be able to, like I said, they always have the 50% off. It just comes and goes. But if you don't see it one week, I would just come back the next week, and you can get you a lot of nice lighting from Hobby Lobby. the mirrors, gorgeous mirrors that they have. This one I think was around $120. I don't think they were having a sale when I went there, but they might be having one going on now. The hammered mirror was about $80, and I think that one was a nice little textured piece. This one I think was about $250 for the gave me a Pottery Barn kind of vibe to it. And then the edge mirror was about $150. So it's like it has that like edges look, but it is still framed with the glass, which I think is so cute. This one was about $350, and it has all the little crystal like stones on it. They do have a different version of that one also. This one I'm not sure of the price, but I think it probably goes around $120. I can't say for sure though, but like I said, they're gonna have a bunch of different ones. That one was about $160, but then that's you can catch them on sale. This one right here was on sale for $75, from $300 to $75. So you can catch some great sales. This one again, another sale for 70 some odd dollars for something that was hundreds of dollars. So you can catch some good deals with these mirrors. The wood ones ranged between $150 to $250, but like again I said, you can catch them on sale. So you just wait for a good sale to come and you can catch some good deals at Hobby Lobby. They have the wall lighting, so the one is that, you know, the pendant lightings that you can get for your home. And again, they are on sale too. So they're going to be 50% off. And like I said, if you don't catch the 50% off, you can just come back when it is on, because it comes and goes along with like table decor, the florals, all these different things come and go. This lamp was $100, and then again it's 50% off, so it is $50. So if you see that, I think that's a cute little piece, and it will go with a lot of different homes and different spaces. Now we have the table decor. Like I said, that sale comes and goes too. 50% off right now. You have the little black container there, and it is $30. And then usually the between the sizes, it usually varies about $10. The little hand was about $9, and then it's going to be 50% off. But the pieces usually vary between about $10. This little pitcher was $20, and then of course it's 50% off, so that's $10. So you'll be able to get the pieces at a good price. I like the little piggy pieces in here. I don't know, I just thought they were super cute. But this right here, this butter dish, $25. It's a little bigger than the one you would get from Target, but the one at Target is a bit cheaper. This piece $18, but then again, like I said, on sale. The butter dish about $15, and then the pig behind it was about $20, and then again you get it on sale. Again, the mirrors, they're going to range. The mirrors on this side, because they're smaller, they're about $80, and then some of them go up to like $100 and something. But the majority of them are going to be about at least at my Hobby Lobby, they're going to be about $75, $80. They're ranging like around there for the smaller mirrors. But like I said, some of them can go up to like $100 and something for the smaller mirrors. And then if you get like really small, they'll be even cheaper. But the mirrors vary in prices, and again you can catch them on sale. This wall sconce here was about $35, and I'm not sure, but I think that might have been part of the sale, but I can't say for sure. But I like it because you can put like a nice big candle in there or something, and it'll look cute on the wall. These came in different sizes, so you can get this from about $80 before sale to like with sale it'd be about $40, and then the price goes up, and then you just take the 50% off. So there's a range for the things. And like I said, always, I can't say it enough, there's always a sale at Hobby Lobby, which I think is great. I used to love Joann's, but I feel like their sales, they don't have so much home decor as Hobby Lobby has, and they don't have like the 50% off as much. So you can get this piece of artwork, which I thought was cute, for $14. And then of course it's going to be 50% off. They have those cute little pieces there. They have a lot of little things, and I love how they put these into little collections where you can see how the things would look together, so you can kind of get an idea. That piece was $20, and then like I said, you go up a size, down a size, it'll just be a few dollars difference, maybe around $10 or so based on the piece. This, I love this piece, $45, and then of course 50% off. I love colored glass right now, so anything colored glass I just think is so cute. And that piece was, I think, was around $25, again at 50% off, so you'll take 50% off of that price. This $16, 50% off. And then this I thought was super cute because it gives you that whole little vintage look for $25, and then 50% off of that. These pieces, if you're not aware, when you go down the little aisles and stuff like that, that's $12. But these are part of the table decor. So not just on the end caps, you'll be able to find the pieces that are table decor, but you'll be able to find them in the rows too. So always look there. Always give it a look there to see what they have, because not everything is going to just be out and displayed for you. So you want to give this area a look too. They always have a large selection of lanterns. That one there was $100, I believe, and then it was 50% off. So always look up and down the aisles. And right now is a good time to put, cute little lanterns outside, maybe in the front of your porch, different things like that. This I could not really see the price of because they had it wrapped extra tight, and I couldn't find it online, but I thought it was cute because it gives you that whole little garbage can look. This piece $12, and then 50% off, so it's $6. But they have a lot of cute pieces, and like I said, I love how they put them together so that you can get an idea of how everything would look if you place the pieces together. These, I just love the little chicken. I think that would be cute in someone's kitchen. I just thought it was cute. And the big one was $50, so 50% off, that's $25. You can get a smaller one if you want for less the price, but I just think that chicken was just adorable. And then these pieces I thought were cute too. I thought the mugs were really, really cute. I'm a mug girl, so I love a good mug, and the mugs look a little pricey when you see it at $12, but of course it's 50% off, so it is only $6. So it's about the same price if you were getting a mug from Home Goods or something like that. That one was $25, 50% off. This piece I thought was cute. It's kind of shaped like a little pear, and that one was $35, and then 50% off. They have a lot of cute little laundry room stuff. I did not see the price on this little beaded thing, but I just thought that was cute. Some little decor pieces for your laundry room. So if you were looking, you can go over to Hobby Lobby and find you some pieces for your laundry room. This little canister, $25. I love it because it had the different textures, because it had the glaze, and then it had like the gritty texture at the bottom. So I thought that was cute. You're always going to want to look too for baskets at Hobby Lobby. They have a large selection of baskets if you're looking, and this one was like a 3-piece set, and it was on sale for $60. I think the original price was like $120, but I think it was 50% off. This I thought was cute, something nice and simple, and you can do, I love a good piece like this because you can, it was $40 and then 50% off, but you can do a lot of different things for the holidays. So you can do a Thanksgiving little thing in it, you can do a Christmas thing in it, you can, you can use it all throughout the year and just, display different things. So that was our quick little trip to Hobby Lobby. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.